Here's how you identify lines from graphs. So if you're given a graph's line and it's linear, like this one, it's a line, then we know that it follows the rule y equals mx plus c. And if you get stuck in this unit, remember, just write that down, it'll help you out. I go looking for the c value first, the constant, and the constant is where it passes through the y-axis. So I can see that that happens at -5. So far as I build my equation, I've got y equals, I still don't know the gradient yet, -5. And then when I go hunting for the gradient, remember that it's the rise over the run. So I'm counting that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over a run of 1, 2, 3, 4 in a positive direction. So I've got y equals a rise of 5 over a run of 4, x minus 5. And that one's finished. Do the second run, maybe pause me and have a go, and then test to see if you're right. So again, we follow y equals mx plus c. Find the c value first. It's where it crosses through the y-axis. So we can see that that one happens at +6. So far I've got y equals a gradient I don't know yet, +6. All right, now let's hunt for the gradient. I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then in a negative direction because I'm going towards the negative here. 1, 2, 3. So I've got a gradient of a rise of 6 over a run of -3, x plus 6. And if you're not confident about whether that should be positive or negative, the other way to look at this is this line shows an overall downward trend, okay? So it's got a negative gradient. You don't want to see your bank account graphed doing that. You want to see it like the first question where your bank account's going up, okay? So it's a negative gradient because of that. But don't forget as well, simplify these equations if you can. So the final answer will be -2 because 6 over 3 is 2. And that's your final answer.